Okay, take two of cutting up the cantaloupe. I'll be a little closer. So we're going to check it out, see what it tastes like, and what it looks like inside, and how you kind of tell that it's ripe. But well, it should. If you push in here, it's a little bit soft. Here too. And of course, you give it the smell test, and then if you smell it kind of ripe, it may not be quite ripe, but if it isn't, no problem. Just let it sit in the fridge, even after you cut it. No big deal. But anyway, let's see if this one's ready. Minnesota Midget. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Is that sweet or what? All right. I will give you a critique as to the flavor. Try a little chunk of it. Looks wonderful, I'll tell you that much. These seeds, you wouldn't want to keep them because they probably cross-pollinated, and God knows what you'll get next year. So, here goes. Beautiful orange flesh on the Minnesota Midget. So, just take the rind off, and I will give you a critique as to what I think of the flavor is. Now remember, that's just my opinion. It may not be shared by you at home. Alright, smells wonderful. My God. This is a fabulous cantaloupe. Minnesota Midget, definitely going to make my garden next year.